enter the Sketchpad website, click on the plus, go up to the right hand corner to import, select your photo, and it will automatically appear there. Then also on the left hand side you've got a number of different tools you can click on, and it will open up to show you the different tools and the different colours that you can use. In this case I was starting off with one of my favourite tools, which is the web tool, and that automatically creates a sort of spider web effect. You can change the colour, you can change the percentage of how transparent or how strong that colour is, as well as being able to change the thickness of the line and the radius of the spread as well. So you can make it thicker, denser, or lighter. When you start drawing, it automatically finds the drawing that you've just done and kind of joins the bits together. In this case, I just spent some time going around drawing over what was already there to see what random effects would be produced. When you use Sketchpad, each tool automatically creates a layer, and in this case, because I didn't lift my finger off my laptop touchpad, it effectively was just one layer. If you stop and start again, what will happen is it will create more and more different layers. I then used a paintbrush to paint over some areas with a reasonably transparent colour, changing the colour from time to time. I then went over again some of the lines, but this time with the crayon tool, which is probably the most similar to a regular piece of art material. If you're unhappy with what you do, you can just Control Command Z to step back, or you can go to the layers, find a layer and delete it. Repeated this process several times. I had added the black lines of the spider web early on, but with the intention that I would come back to it and then move the layers back up to the top. So as you can see, we've got lots of open layers there, most of which are the crayon and the paintbrush. But if I scrolled right down to the bottom, there are two layers of web. So I selected both of those and bit by bit moved them back up to the top, which meant that in the digital drawing they would be the top layer, which means that they wouldn't have any paint over the top of them at all. I then went back to the web tool just to add some final refining marks. This was all done intuitively, just in the areas that I felt needed to be a little bit darker. And then I saved the work by clicking on the little floppy disk symbol, which exported it then as a JPEG, and there is the JPEG.